Hey YouTube, so I got a stock idea that I've been looking for, and I'm not sure this is the right time of year for this stock, so I don't know if this is a long term hold. This might be a short term play for a couple of quarters or something like that. And that company is H&R Block, ticker symbol HRB. And I like H&R Block. I've been a customer of H&R Block for many years. I run all my taxes, personal and business, through H&R Block, and I do it myself with their online tax prep software. But if you look at H&R Block, they've essentially, they're down for the. Let's see. Let's go to the year chart. They're essentially flat for the year. And the last time I checked in on them was quite a while ago. And I didn't see any growth catalysts, and they've dropped off my radar for quite a while, at least 6 months or more. And now that it's tax season again, I thought I'd take a look, and I missed some things from them as that time goes by that I wasn't looking. So as we see, we'll look at the fundamentals here real quick. Earnings per share of $2.40, forward PE of 9.74. So that falls under my buying companies under 15 kind of rule almost. It has a 4.46% dividend yield. I am recording this on Christmas, so I don't know what this price is going to be by the time this comes out. But I've been on a video recording rampage. We had our Christmas early, like a few days early. So here I am on Christmas, really just kind of chilling and making a buttload of videos. But H&R Block, I didn't see any growth catalysts. And if we look back, I'll get to that. One growth catalyst that I found was back in June. They acquired Wave Financial. And what Wave Financial is an accounting, invoicing, payroll, and payment software solution, as well as bookkeeping services, built into a comprehensive platform used by over 400,000 small businesses every month. I think this is good. You got 400,000 small businesses every month that H&R Block basically bought, and they can roll those 400,000 people into their tax prep, into whether they do it themselves or they have H&R Block assist them with their taxes. So not only are they going to make money off these payment solutions, bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, they can get a good chunk of these people into their tax prep. Now, if we look, Wave is a rapidly growing financial solutions platform for the small business market. They have a large and expanding market. I think it's also a great fit for H&R Block and a disruptive innovator, because you pretty much have everything under one roof. And right now there's 31 million small businesses in North America. 100,000 new small businesses created each month. Freelancers, there's 57 million today, growing to 87 million by 2027. Now, if you look at that, 31 million small businesses in North America, they acquired Wave, and they only have 400,000 of those. So there's some good, there's a good growth ramp there if they can harness that and grow that. And another thing I found out about Wave is in their investor relations book, they are partnering with Shopify to launch the first direct accounting integration in the Shopify App Store. So this is, I like the way H&R Block is going here. It's still on the table whether they can make this worth it. If we look at their recent earnings on December 4th, they missed a little bit on GAAP earnings. I don't understand non-GAAP and GAAP. That's a little bit over my head. But they had a revenue miss of 2.1 million, which I don't. The stock didn't, with this earnings report, stock didn't budge really. And I think even though they missed consensus, if you look right here, I think a lot of people missed this revenue of 160.8 million, which is 8% increase year over year. That's a good number. Even though they projected for a little bit more, it's still growth, and you want to see that top line growth, especially after they've acquired a company. So, is this good enough growth for H&R Block? That's yet to be seen, because they acquired them in June. They were trading at around $28, $29 a share. They reported earnings and missed earnings and dropped to $24 a share. And then they reported earnings and it kind of just went flat, but they had a revenue increase. So if you see revenue increase, that's a good sign, and that's a good sign after they've acquired Wave Financial. So H&R Block is back on my watch list. It's compelling. It could be a short-term trade just for tax season, but if this Wave Financial thing gets traction and they can leverage that and grow it, H&R Block might be a really good investment right here at only 10 times forward earnings, and you get a 4.46% dividend yield. So what are your thoughts? H&R Block, good, bad, ugly, or not good enough? You can leave me comments down below. Also got my Amazon link down there. If you have the chance to use it, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.